अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप लोग? ठीक ठाक, उम्मीद है आप लोग खैर खैरियत से होंगे। हम आपके सामने एक मरतबा फिर हाजिर हैं। ठीक है, साइंस क्लास एपिसोड 11। साइंस क्लास भी आगे बढ़ती जा रही है और जाती जाएगी जब तक ये पूरी बुक नहीं मुकम्मल होगी। बुक मुकम्मल होगी तो क्लास भी मुकम्मल। ठीक है, तो जश्न आज़ादी का चौथा दिन बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। आज चौथा दिन है, कल से फिर हम अपना नॉर्मल शेड्यूल रखेंगे। ठीक है, अब इंडिपेंडेंस डे के चारों दिन गुजारने के बाद वही आम रूटीन वाला शेड्यूल होगा। ठीक है, यार वाई जैक का भी वही है, दीन इस्लाम की बातें का भी वही है। ठीक है, चलिए शुरू करते हैं। जो आज का टॉपिक है बायोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम 2, हाउ प्लाज्मोडियम गेट्स इनटू द ब्लड of man. The next biological problem was to learn about how plasmodium gets into the blood of man. Biologists were having following observations. Malaria is associated with marshes. Drinking water of marshes did not cause malaria. When biologists considered these observations, they threw out that plasmodium was not in the marsh water. Number 1 observation. In 1883, a physician A.F.A. King listed 20 observations. Some important observations of King were: people who slept outdoors had more chances to get malaria than those who slept indoors. People who slept under fire mosquito nets had less chances for getting malaria than those who did not use such nets. Individuals who slept near a smoky fire usually did not get malaria. Number 2 है hypothesis. On the basis of the observations, King suggests a hypothesis. Mosquitoes transmit plasmodium and so are involved in the spread of malaria. Number 3 is deduction. Following deduction was made from the hypothesis. If mosquitoes are involved in the spread of malaria, then plasmodium should be present in mosquitoes. Number 3 is experiment and results. In order to test the above deduction, Roland Ross performed important experiments in 1880s. He was a British Army physician who was working in India. He allowed a female Anopheles mosquito to bite a malarial patient. He killed this mosquito and found plasmodium multiplying in its stomach. As the next experiment, he threw out to allow an infected mosquito having plasmodium to bite a healthy person if the hypothesis was true. The healthy person would have got malaria, but he did not use human beings for such risky experiment. Ross performed his experiment again but used sparrows instead of men. He allowed female Cluex mosquitoes to bite a sparrow suffering from malaria. Then he studied some of these mosquitoes at different times. He found that उसने ढूंढा कि plasmodium multiplied in the walls of the mosquito's stomach and then moved into its salivary glands. He allowed some infected, यानी जो infected होते हैं ना, mosquitoes to bite healthy sparrows. Ross found that these healthy sparrows got malaria. When he examined the blood of these sparrows, he found many plasmodia. ठीक है, एक प्लाज्मोडिया है जो उसने ढूंढा था in it. So it proved that the hypothesis mosquitoes transmit plasmodium. So mosquitoes are involved in the spread of malaria. ठीक है, तो बाकी का जो हमारा लेसन है वो इंशाल्लाह हम लोग कल सुनने की सादत हासिल करेंगे। अभी हम इस्लामिक पॉइंट्स में आने वाले हैं। ठीक है, अल्लाह हाफिज़।